Let's learn the letter Y. Down and around, up and down with a curly tail. Y is for yo-yo. Do you like to play with yo-yo? Y. The kids had fun playing. Yahya used his yo-yo. Yasin played with his toy yacht, and Yasin drew a yak. Their mother was glad to see them playing peacefully. Do you play peacefully?
Boy with the yo-yo yak on his shirt, yoke on the table, a playful alert. Yarn. Y, 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 yarn. Y, 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 yarn. Yogurt. Y, 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 yogurt. Y, 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 yogurt. Yak. Y, 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 yak. Y, 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 yak. Yacht. Y, 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 yacht. Y, 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 yacht. Yo-yo. Y, 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 yo-yo. Y, 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 yo-yo. Yoke. Y, 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 yoke. Y, 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 y,